The Galaxy Fold 3, also known as the Z Fold 3, is Samsung's best foldable yet. When they announced it on stage, it blew my socks and my mind. Today, I'm going to talk about what makes the Z Fold 3 exciting and if this replace my current phone or sit in the shotgun seat. I'm Tech with Chris, and let's dive in. Also, if you happen to be that sad 99% of you guys to watch my videos but don't happen to subscribe, or YouTube just glitched out and said nope, you're not subscribed to this channel, I encourage you guys to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Now back to the video. First up is the design. The idea of having a tall phone for outward to give an immersive big screen is amazing. The Z Fold 3 has armored aluminum on the outer hinge, which makes it stronger and more durable. Speaking about durability, for the first time in any foldable, the Z Fold 3 is IPX8 water resistant, so if it rains, it can handle it. Spill a glass of water, it can handle it. That solves the biggest problem for me if I had the Fold 3. So thank you so much, Samsung. You solved one of my biggest problems with the foldable. Lastly, the cover screen and the back are protected with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is the strongest Gorilla Glass yet. Number 2 are the screens. Last year on the Fold 2, the cover display was improved since it was taller, but lacked a 120Hz screen. But now, you can enjoy 120Hz smoothness on both the cover and main display without any interruptions. Wait, do you say without any interruptions? Yes, I did, because Samsung hid the camera underneath the main screen, so most apps and games will look full screen. To add on, Samsung has partnered with companies to fully optimize the main display, so apps like Messages can have one side for conversations and one side for your contacts without switching and going back, which I think is absolutely amazing. Number 3, the S Pen. When Samsung announced the S Pen would be compatible with the S21 Ultra, I was like, what? You need to buy the Galaxy Note series or the newest Galaxy tablet to get an S Pen add-on? Sweet! And with the Fold 3, you get 2 special pens that are compatible, like the S Pen Fold Edition and the S Pen Pro, which was announced back in January along with the regular S Pen. This just upped my excitement. Number 4, the price cut. Back in 2019, the Galaxy Fold was heavily priced at $1,980, which was ridiculous. Then, if that was ridiculous enough, Samsung then upped the price tag to $2,000 with the Fold 2. Like, what the heck? Now, the Fold 3 is $200 cheaper, pricing at $1,800. It's still expensive, but I'll take the $200 price cut any day of the week. So, now that I talked about things that are exciting, here is my final verdict. While those features make the Z Fold 3 super exciting and convincing, if I had to replace my phone with the Fold 3 or have it like a second device, it would be my second device because of 2 things, which are the cameras and the battery. The cameras are a copy and paste of last year's Fold 2, and the battery is 600 mAh shorter than the S21 Ultra's battery at 5000 mAh. If the battery was bigger and the cameras were a copy and paste of my daily driver, then heck yeah, Samsung, take my money. But it's not, and it'll be sitting in the shotgun seat along with my phone if I had to buy it, which I'm not. So, those are my reasons why the Fold 3 is exciting and if it'll be replacing my phone. If you want to know if the Flip 3 is convincing enough, go subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on that video. Also, if you want to be a know on my channel news, go to those links in the description below so you don't miss out on that news. That's all I have for now, so this is Tech with Chris, signing off.